Hello, James. Today I'm going to learn you how to record video games on your fabulous computer. Not the Xbox, if you probably can't see that, but on your computer. In the description down there somewhere on the YouTube page and all that jazz, I'm going to give you a link to this website called FilesMelt. It's very marvelous. Where I have uploaded the program called Fraps that you're going to need in order to record your video game experiences. So you're just going to move your cursor right, whatever, on this, click it once, a window will pop up, and it will download. You can probably see it right there, can't really tell, but it's there. And when that downloads, it's only 2 megabytes, but my internet's going slow right now, so it's taking forever. You are going to, well, find the program. I'm guessing open it right here. Click on that. Depends on what internet browser you have, but you get this little prompt, Fraps 3.03, etc., etc. It's just a little installation prompt. You click I agree, read all this. You don't have to, I'm not going to. Destination folder, C/Fraps, you gotta change that. Next, install. It installs. And done. That is it. And as you can see down here, you're going to go to all programs, and there should be, for you there'll be a folder here called Fraps, but for some reason I don't have one. So if you don't have one, then just go to your search bar and type in Fraps right there, and it should pop up right there. But if you can't find that, then you go to computer, you go to your C drive right there, or it might be local drive or something like that. Open that. Then you find the folder called Fraps, which will be there because that's where it installed to. You open that, and the program will be right here called Fraps. Should have a computer monitor and a 99 there. You press enter on that, or you double click it, whatever you want, and it opens the program. Come on now. Come on now. There we go. And you'll get this little window here. This is the Fraps window. Your version is 3.03, build, whatever. And what you're going to do is Fraps. You know this. And whenever you record your videos, whatever little file path that goes to, which is defaultly this folder right here, as you can see, I've got videos I've already recorded right here for various school projects, I guess, I don't know. But if you want to change that, you can change it to something along the lines of, say, my videos, and you can say okay, and then it would go to that instead. Screenshots, you press F10, and you keep this running, you close that down, and you open your game of choice. I'm just gonna choose, let's try Assassin's Creed. And as you can see right here is a little UI display that the program creates, which monitors your frames per second or your FPS. Whether you're like accustomed to that word or not, or know what it means, FPS means frames per second, and basically it tells you how many times your graphics card is sending out an image to your monitor every second. So right now it's sending out 26, and defaultly your computer's sending out 60 every second. So there's 25 little fast flicks of images coming up really fast. And I'm just gonna go and start all this. And see, here we're getting 26 or so. I'm not overclocking right now, so it's kind of low. And in the game, I'm getting around 22. You'll probably get more because your mom probably has a higher budget to build computers than I do. But as you can see, as I rotate it around, it'll change and all that. See my marvelous Assassin's Creed here. And if you want, in doing this, it's not recording right now at all. It's just in standby mode. It's just there if you want to use it or just see what your FPS is. If you want to record games, you press F9. As you can see, it turns red, and that means that you're recording. I will warn you, recording using fraps will completely kill your performance in your game, depending on how fast it runs. Like mine's running, well, I could probably record like this, but in some games, if your computer's not good enough or the game's too graphics intensive, it'll go really slow and unplayable. But I don't think you'll have a problem with that. And I can run around and all this. Can't really run, I need two hands for that, but. And then you press F9 and it stops. And see, it's back to yellow. And if you, just to say this, if you want to take a screenshot, then you would press F10. You see, it went white there for a second. That means it took a picture. And that's all you need to know. I am going to go assassinate people. And you have fun with this.